Hey guys, it's Luna here. In today's video, we're gonna use Blender to make some procedural graphene. Graphene shows up all the time in electrochemistry papers and journal covers. With this trick, you can generate tons of random variations with just one click. So, let's dive right in. First, clear the scene, delete everything, and get rid of unused data. Since graphene patterns usually start with a hexagon, let's add a circle and set the vertices to 6. Hop into edit mode, press F to fill it in. Now, we're gonna use 3 array modifiers to build out the grid. Add the first array, set count to 10, keep the default relative offset. Add the second array, set count to 2, switch to constant offset, set X offset to 0.865 and Y offset to 1.5. Add the third array, also use constant offset, set Y offset to 3. Count to 11 and increase the first array's count to 18. Now we've got a hex grid. The problem is, the vertices are overlapping. Easy fix, just throw on a weld modifier to merge them. Alright, time for the fun part: geometry nodes. Open the Geo Nodes editor, press Shift+A to add stuff. I set mine to Shift+C for quick access. We need to deform the hex surface, since real graphene isn't perfectly flat. Add a noise texture and a set position node. Connect the noises factor to combine XYZ, then into set positions offset. Now the vertices move slightly up and down. The effect is too subtle, so add a math node to amplify it. By default, the noise is too fine. Lower the scale to about 0.05. And now we get the wavy shape we want. Next, let's add atoms. Use instance on points to scatter little spheres on the hexes. Set the radius to 0.25. And add 3 subdivisions. Convert the hex mesh to a curve with mesh to curve, then back with curve to mesh. Use a circle as the profile curve, radius 0.1. Add set shade smooth and set material to assign materials to atoms and bonds. Now, make 2 materials and assign them. In the world panel, I already added an HDRI for lighting. Using a light path trick, it only lights the scene but doesn't show up in the camera. To randomize atom colors, add a geometry node, connect random per island to a color ramp, and pick 2 colors. This creates a doped atom look. When we render, the bond colors change but not the spheres because we applied the material wrong. Switch to material 1 and reassign it. But spheres still stay one color because they're instances, not real geometry. To fix that, add a Realize Instances node to convert them into real meshes, and now the colors apply correctly. Let's make the yellow atoms glow. Just duplicate the ramp, plug it into emission color. For emission strength, use a layer weight node so it gives a rim light glow around the edges. For the bonds, a simple metallic material works fine. Now add a light and position it so it highlights the center. Set up a camera at a nice angle. If you want a close-up focus, enable depth of field. Instead of guessing the distance, put the 3D cursor on your target area, drop in an empty, and set it as the focus object. Switch the noise to 4D, and drag the W value to animate the graphene shape. You can also tweak the array counts to add or remove hexagons. Once you find the angle you like, just hit render, and boom, there's your final image. And that's how you create procedural graphene in Blender. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments, I'll reply quickly. The demo file is also linked below, grab it if you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.